Hey y'all, good morning. So today is Saturday. Miss Mona has a vet visit, so I decided to get up a little early so that I can clip her hair, give her a bath, and then take her to get some shots. So I'm gonna attempt to do that right now. I've never given her a haircut. The reason I'm out here is because it's easier to clean up and just sweep things up afterwards. Come on, Mona. Good girl. So Ms. Mona didn't really let me give her a full haircut. Hey y'all, so we just got done at the vet. We were here for 25 minutes, and so she was taken in and out really quickly. They told me she is not 7 months old, that she's probably 5 months old, so her birthday is officially gonna be February 14th. Huh, Mona? My little Valentine. And she only weighs 3.4 pounds. So because she's so small, we're gonna have to separate her vaccines a little bit more, and she'll be back in 3 weeks. So I'm actually gonna go to Home Depot right now to buy a couple of bricks or see if there's like some other material I can use to cover up the area in the fence that can be dug under, because Mona's not actually digging under it, but it seems like when I'm watering the plants, the dirt's just compacting a little bit more, so there's more space underneath the fence. And I'm gonna get some cinder blocks and stuff to prevent her from being able to get under there. Hey y'all, so I'm just hanging out here with Miss Mona. Poor baby, she's kind of like low in energy and a little bit sad, and I'm guessing it's because of the vaccine she got this morning. So I'm just gonna hang out with her here in the couch for a little while so she's not at least lonely. Y'all, so I dropped off Miss Mona at the house. I actually had breakfast, and now I'm gonna go to the bank and then the post office. I need to mail a couple of Etsy orders that I have right here. So there's a couple orders came in last night, so I prepped those with Miss Mona while we watched Lucifer, which is a very interesting show. Just got to the bank, and then there's a little shop in the same shopping center called Lot 22, and I want to check it out and see if I get anything. Hey y'all, so I've been watching The Zodiac Killer for about 2 hours now. There's about half an hour left, I believe, of the movie. Since I'm just sitting here watching the movie, I decided to look into one of my bad habits, which is getting mail and just sticking it in bags. Like this Victoria's Secret bag, mail. This other bag, mail. I have another bag here, and then I actually have already been looking into stuff, and this H&M bag is all the stuff that I'm going to shred. So I'm gonna sort through all of this while I keep watching TV. It's still really hot out right now, so I'm not gonna unload the brick from my car until maybe another hour or two. Yeah, it's way too hot to do anything. Hey y'all, so I have a face mask on right now. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up at the Lot 22 store earlier. It's this dark chocolate balsamic vinegar and this oregano white balsamic vinegar. I'm gonna try these out with some olive oil that I have here, and I have these other snacks, and I'm gonna be watching Black Hawk. Good morning, y'all. So it is Sunday. I'm gonna have a low-key morning because I'm just gonna clean up and stuff. There's gonna be a girl coming to see the condo and the room that's up for rent to see if she wants to move in. So I'm just gonna do some cleaning before she gets here, and then once she leaves, I'm probably gonna go shopping. Is that your chair? Hey y'all, so the girl who's gonna come look at the bedroom ended up postponing for tomorrow. So instead, Miss Mona and I are waiting for breakfast to finish up. I'm making some eggs, 1 egg for her, 1 egg for me. And then I'm gonna go shopping in a while just to get out of the house. And Miss Mona's gonna stay here because she needs 1 more set of shots in a couple of weeks. Huh, Mama? Before I actually shower. You can't see her, but she's right here. We're being lazy. Hey y'all, so I just got here to the mall. Thankfully I was able to find a spot in the parking structure so that I'm not in the blazing hot summer sun. But I'm gonna go into the mall right now. I'm gonna go to Charming Charlie's since they're closing, see if I find anything. Then I'm gonna go to JCPenney, and lastly I'll go to Ross across the street and see if I can find a dog bed for Miss Mona. She was using an old one from Bud, so I'd rather get her her own now. So I came to Home Depot and buy some toilet cleaner, and they don't have plungers, so I guess I'll go to like the 99-cent store or something that's nearby. Safe to say she likes her bed. She hasn't even let me take the tag off of it yet and put it in its place. She's growling at her reflection right now. You couldn't have possibly sat anywhere else. Oh no. Hey y'all, so I got back from shopping about maybe half an hour ago or so. I sat down and I have Miss Mona here. I'm avoiding her touching my arms as much as possible because it's too hot to put a sweater on. Hey y'all, so I got back about 30 minutes ago from the stores and from going out shopping. Miss Mona is going crazy. She was relaxed and chewing on her bone, minding her business. She started getting crazy, so I started getting hives on one of my arms. So, hey, stop it. You see this child? I did a regular schmegular haul on the things that I bought today, and that included everything from going to the mall up until going to Home Depot and getting toilet bowl cleaner. So I'm gonna post that at some point as well, and I'll probably link it below if it's up. I'm going to get a couple of Etsy orders ready so that I can ship them out tomorrow morning. And just keep watching or listening to a podcast by Estee Lalonde. Estee Lalonde. I'm going to stick a load of laundry, and then after that I'll take a shower and go to bed. So I'll just sign out here.